So the next option in WordPress admin panel is update post. From this post tab, we can check all the posts, add a new post, set categories and tags. In the all post, it shows all the posts we have published. In all posts, when you install WordPress for the first time, it will have hello world post which is published by the WordPress. It is like a demo post. You can edit, quick edit, trash and view that post. From the screen options, we can show some attributes of columns like that author who has published that post, category which is related to that post, tags which include in this post, comments show the number of comments on that specific post, and the date on which this post has published. Along with this, we can set the pagination, which is the number of posts per page, and the view mode have a two view, compact view and extended view. If we set the compact view and click on that apply button, and the format of that post showing will change, but I will change that back to the extended view so that it shows some text with that post. To add a new post, we can click that add new button from here or from that stop add new button, or from here we can select that add new and click on that. So I will click on that add new button, and here we will provide the title of that post. Here we will type or choose a block. So I will click on that plus icon and the block panel will show, and from that panel we can drag any block from there and paste here. Also we can paste directly from here. Click on that plus icon and we can add any block from there also. So I will click on this block icon, and these are the some blocks that WordPress by default provides. We can add some more blocks by using plugins, and these are the some blocks. These are some social blocks. So from here we can add a link to that social pages. Like I will copy that heading block here and add a heading here. Like let's start with the WordPress. And from here we can add another block like an image block and paste here. We can upload an image, select from media library or insert the image from URL. So I will click on that upload, and we can upload image from PC and the image will be uploaded. From here we can select the view. We can set the default view or rounded view. I will set the default view, and from here we can apply border radius to the edges of that post. Also we can provide an alt text. If due to slow internet connection, if the image doesn't load, then this text will show. I will paste that here. From here we can set the image dimensions like width and height, and here is the in percentage. We can set the percentage for it, and from here we can set the advanced and strict options like title attributes, title anchor text, and additional CSS. Now clicking on the plus icon, we can add another block here. Let's drag that and paste it here, and from here we can add Y WordPress. The title is WordPress, and from here we can paste the paragraph text. So I will copy this dummy text and paste it here. Next I will drag that video block. So from here we can upload video, insert from media library and also insert from URL. So I will insert from YouTube, like click on that share button, copy that video link, back to that post and paste it here. Click on that arrow icon and the video will appear here. After that, we can apply the following attributes to the post, like the visibility of post. We can make it public, private, or password protected. Also, we can schedule a publish or publish it immediately. Set the author of this post. At the time there is only one author. Also we can check the permalink of that post. We will edit that permalink later. We can add text to the post, so the text will be comma separated. Add WordPress, and we can set category for the post, that the category will be WordPress, and click on that add new category, and the category will be added. Also we can set the feature image, which will show as a thumbnail of this post. This will be the thumbnail of that post, and here we can provide a shortcut search which will show with that post. So I will copy this and paste it here. This accept is optional. From the discussion tab, we can allow the comments or restrict the comment, also allow pin page and track back. After that, we can publish that post. Clicking at that publish button will publish the post immediately. And from here, we can view the desktop, tablet, and mobile view of that post. On the tablet, it will show like this, and on the mobile, it will be show like this. So I will change it to desktop, and this is the desktop layout. So let's click again on the publish button, and the changes will be saved. And from here we can click on the view button, and we will be able to see this post. So this is the post we have added, and this YouTube video will take some time to appear here, and we can post a comment from here. I will be back to my site. And the site page will show this post as a latest post and the hello post. So back to that admin post, let's break it, and from here if we refresh it, this new post will appear here. And from here we can quick edit, send to trash, or view that post. So I will click on that quick edit, and we will be able to change the title of that post, categories, tags, and all other things. So we can change the status of that post to pending review, draft, or published. Also we can provide passwords. After making all the changes, we will click on that update button to update that post, and the updated post will appear here. Now I will select that hello world post, and from here I will select move to trash and click on that apply button, and the post will be removed from here and sent to the trash.